1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7, so the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body knee, reverse right. 1, we hook on 2, slide down the arm, turn 3, back charge 5, 6, 7. Gonna give her a misdirected right turn. Pull with the left, right hand comes over. 1. So now we want to be facing her, right hand goes down, left hand goes up, stepping back. 2. So this is giving the tension. So now on 3, we're going to catch in front the right hand and start turning her with the left. 3, keep turning her. 5, check forward on 6, 7. So now left hand's going to start turning her on 1 to the right. 1, we're going to hook again on 2. 2, right hand's going down, keep going over. 3, back charge, 5, 6, 7. So here I'm going to be giving her 1.5 right. It looks like a copa. So I'm going to be pulling forward with the left. 1. I want to make sure the tension is still going forward in the left hand. So now the right hand's going to be going over my head to turn her on 2. It goes down on 3. I keep turning right. 5. Catch with the left. 6, 7. Give her 2 steps forward. 1, 2. I'm going to give her an accelerated double turn. 3. Step to the side. 5. Misdirect her. 6, 7. Pump back. 1. Bring her in on 2. Free spin. 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
5, 6, 7. Start with basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body lead. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Step forward on 1, facing away. Step back with the left on 2. Step forward and turn to the left on 3. Check forward on 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to turn right away on 1 to the right. 1, 2, 3, back on 5, 6, 7. Step forward on 1. Turn to the right on 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now go forward 1, forward 2, turn 3, chop, chop, chop. That's a double. 6, 7. Now pump back on 1, 1, turn 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body lead. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
Hello guys, this is Valeria from Casa Salsa. We really hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to hit the subscribe button right here. That way you never miss our latest update. We also have a website. Check it out. The link in the description. That way we can also have a live class together. See you there!